How to verify email addresses with SalesQL. Start by opening the Email Verifier tab in the left menu. If you only need to check one address, just type it into the input field and click Verify. SalesQL will instantly check the address and return a result including format, type, server status, and email status. This is a great way to test a few contacts manually. If you have a full list to verify, click on New Bulk Verification. Choose the Upload File option. Your file must include at least one column containing email addresses. Click Next, upload your file, and then click Verify Emails to start the verification. Once it's done, you'll be able to download the file with a verification status for each contact. You can also verify multiple emails without a CSV by selecting the Copy and Paste option. Paste the list of emails into the box and then click Verify Emails. Just like with the CSV option, you'll get categorized results for each address. That's it. Whether you're checking a single address or hundreds, SalesQL helps you ensure your messages go to real inboxes. For more help, visit our help center or reach out to our support team.